Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Citroen C4 Picasso, Grand Picasso that is. So from any screen, navigation is there, and then you've got menu down at the bottom and search. So let's have a look. We'll look at menu. Enter address, my destinations, point of interest, search. So enter address. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, P. R. Now we need to go to numbers. So there you go, just down at the bottom there. 5, 4. Does it default back to numbers? No, it doesn't. So we have to click numbers there. J. S. Papa Romeo 5, 4 Juliet Sierra. Then click OK, which is in the bottom left-hand corner. Number 222. OK. Navigation is electronic assistance. The navigation is an electronic assistance system. You've got to agree for it not to be distracted. There you go. So it's telling me to do a U-turn. That's basically because I'm sat on the forecourt. But it's an easy enough system to use. Let's see. Is there anything else on there? So you can look for car parks, traffic hotspots. Nothing really. Menu, guidance criteria, route waypoint settings. Click on settings. There you go, north orientation. We don't want that, we want the way you're going. Vehicle orientation. That's it, that's set properly now.